Singapore forms a part of Southeast Asian rainforest, a natural habitat for a variety of flora and fauna. Fairy pittas, scientific name Pitta nympha. Fairy pittas are small birds of passerine family. Their average size is 16 to 19 centimeters in full length. They at least have 7 colors in their plumage, making them very bright and colorful birds. There are around 14 species of pittas identified worldwide. But there is a question then, why fairy pittas are very special? Yes, there are two reasons why fairy pittas are special. The first reason is fairy pittas are endangered species of pittas. And the second reason is they are very unusual winter migrants to Singapore. This is only the second time in the history of Singapore we have sighted the fairy pittas. The first time being in 2019. Fairy pittas' natural habitat is Northeast Asia, like in countries of China, Japan and Korea. They migrate in winter to South and Southeast of Asia to protect themselves from the severe cold. Usually they migrate during October to November. Then once the summer starts, they fly back to their own habitat. They breed in summer between May and July. In 2021 winter migration has started, and this fairy pitta has chosen Singapore to be its winter home. We are excited to see this endangered species happily hopping around Bukit Timah Nature Reserve like a prima donna posing to her paparazzi. Fairy pitta's diet consists of worms, small invertebrates, and small hard-shelled insects. Earthworms being the most commonly eaten food by fairy pittas, forming around 70 to 80% of their food. It was not easy to take these footages as these pittas were perching very low in the ground with a lot of obstacles in front, and also it's very dark with almost all days rain. Fairy pittas spot their prey, then use their beak to clear the surroundings and pick the prey. Their legs are very nimble, so use them only for hopping to reach the prey rather than attacking the prey with their legs. Their beak is strong enough to pick the prey, so almost there is no need for using their legs. Now you did see the fast action of this fairy picking the prey, which I'm going to show you in slow motion for your appreciation. These pittas are agile and choose their prey which suits their size and makeup. Luckily, the fertile soil of Bukit Timah Nature Reserve behaves a great host for this little fairy. This video is slowed down to less than 25% of the original speed of the motion to freeze the motion to let you see and witness the hunting of fairy pitta. This fairy has seen the target with its sharp eyesight, hops and positions itself to the prey, and boom, picks the prey. It's an earthworm. Another slow motion capturing how the fairy pitta hunts. Sorry for the lousy footage. The bird is swift and it's too dark for focusing. This video is slowed down to less than 1/10 of the original speed at which the bird attacked the prey. 2 long jumps with aerodynamic posture and boom, now it's a centipede. Here we see how swift the bird can be. The red ant which disturbed the fairy was instantly thrown in air in milliseconds of reaction time. Let's watch what happens to the red ant in slow motion. This footage was slowed down to less than a quarter of the real time to freeze the action. This red ant approaches the Pitta from the left lower end of the screen, slowly climbs up and even tries to climb up the right leg of the Pitta. But once the Pitta got aware of this red ant, he just picked it and threw it in air in a matter of no time. You can also appreciate the nictitating membrane, which is a protective mechanism, was closing the eyes, but still the Pitta was able to see what is happening. This is a real protective mechanism to avoid injury to the eyes while dealing with prey or in danger. Colors of the plumage. The head is shades of brown with black stripe, white superciliary, black around the eyes, white neck, yellowish tan torso with red vent. The back is bottle green with glossy blue stripe by the sides, black at the tertials and blue at the rump. So what are the reasons for the fairy pittas to become endangered? Deforestation and loss of habitat, which is the most common cause, followed by predators like snakes, eagles, crows, cats and monkeys. Window strikes. Window strikes happens in the cities during winter migration. The poor bird mistakes the window glass for the trees, which is a mirror image, and strikes on the window glass and crashes and dies. All these factors, along with low successful breeding rate, less than 41%, cause these fairy pittas to be listed endangered. The countries of natural habitat like China, Japan, Korea and Taiwan have made several conservative efforts to revive this bird from extinction. Hopefully, our future generation will still be able to witness this gorgeous migrant bird. Let's join hands to teach nature and conservation to our future generation. Thank you for watching.